Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're doing is playing a game called Clash Royale. So this video oh yeah, my voice will sound so weird because I just woke up, so that's a problem. So what we're doing today is we're gonna holy crap, they're going so fast. Oh crap. I should have got arrows. So I woke up, I wanted to make a video, but yeah. And this is going to be a little quick video because I already made a video. For some reason, my video stopped, so without me even noticing. Yeah, oh crap. Okay, I'm going to put a prince right here. Let's put a prince there. Okay, now he's going to put that there. But he's going to zap the prince, of course. I'm going to put a baby dragon there. Don't put your baby dragon where I put mine. Put his, that was his just distraction. Because I know he was, that he was going to put down. I got a hard. I want a lumberjack so bad because the lumberjack carries out a rage explosion. When he dies, this rare or legendary behind him can do a lot of damage. I'm really sick today. Yeah, we took that guy down. Oh crap. That would instant kill. Holy crap. Oh, no. Yes, good job. But thank God you put the skeleton army. Thank you for putting that skeleton army. Place down something there. Oh my God. The problem was that my teammate didn't place down a minion army or minions there to hit the balloon because my teammate's stupid. So he placed down his minion army to fight off the other minions that were coming at me, and he was such an idiot because they were gonna just wreck him easily because he's spawning in front of him. So yeah, that's really stupid. Hey. Yeah. Said hey. Yeah. I think I already said this, but I already woke up, so yeah, my voice is sounding weird. I think I already said that. I'll check back. But I'll leave it like that. So he said, yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. He said hey, so I'm gonna say yeah. I wish I had then 4,000 gems, but I don't have that much money. Like I can buy I could buy like this much, like right here, 6,000 gems, but I'm not really doing it because that's my money. I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it. Plus, doing this is easy, and you can like do a hack thing. For some reason, I don't want. Let me see if anybody's on. Like 4 people on, so I see 2 people. So one more person must be on. Like 3 people must be on. These 2, me, and someone else. Guys, I'll say you 2, 3. 1. I'm so tired. Like, you should see me in the morning when I wake up. It's so bad. Let's make this, let's just make this a 10-minute video because I just want to. I'm sorry if I'm moving around too much, if you guys can hear that, or if you guys can hear my voice really loud. That's a problem. I think whenever I make a video, my voice always gets loud. I don't know why, but yeah. And my phone keeps on going, keeps on going dark and then turn off, and then the video ends. For some reason, I don't know why. So let's do that. It's gonna go tiers, spill valors. Let's do a free 1 battle. Let's do like 2 battles. Shut up! It's like a timer over there. I hear a timer. For some reason, I don't know why I hear a timer. Oh, this guy must be stupid or something, because he did that. He took down my tower. Oh my god, that's rich. Come on, take that down. Take it now. Yes! Wait. Oh. Oh, 1,000 damage, 1,000 damage, 1,000 damage. That's cool. That's good. Okay. Now we do that. No, they summoned a Valkyrie. I hate the Valkyrie so much. The Valkyrie is my enemy. I don't know why, but I really hate it. Okay. Yes, we took it down. Good game. He took down 1 tower. I took down 1 tower. Like, if it'd been like a hard battle, like a battle that'd been really hard to do, then it'll be forever, because if he had legendaries, then I'll be screwed. Well, he didn't have a legendary. Did he? I don't think he had a legendary. Let me check. No. Let's see if he had legendaries. Let me see. Okay, this guy had no legendaries. No legendaries at all. But he had a wizard and a balloon. Oh, I didn't see him summon a balloon or the hog rider, but all he did is just summon the rest, but except the hog rider and the balloon. I did not see that. Let's do 1 more. My other videos yesterday, my video of the challenge, I was in a rush. I had to do it. My phone went off. I was super tired of it. So what I had to do is just make another video. Oh, sad. I'm gonna keep on making videos until you guys be happy. So you guys will like my channel. Holy crap, they're wrecking my tower. They wrecked my tower. Like, I couldn't even summon anything out, and they were just wrecking it. Well, it seems like we lost. Plus, I hate the gun lady, whatever. I forgot the name of it. Oh, not summoning there. I know there was a Valkyrie there, so I'm not gonna summon there. Of course, they're gonna summon the baby dragon there. Oh, the baby dragon didn't even notice. Oh, never mind. Go here. What the heck? This guy's going full force on me. Like, before he destroyed our tower. Like, come on. The problem is that that guy had so many. Like, let me check his deck. I think I took down a tower of his because he kept on summoning a lot of monsters. I mean, kept on summoning cards for some reason. Oh my god. Like, crap. Let me check something. Oh wait, what am I doing here? I need to check his deck. No. Check this, okay. So he had a Valkyrie. So this is what really happened. So what he did was, I knew that he did something. Like he summoned like something, then it like hit my tower. For some reason, I don't know how he destroyed my tower easily. That's impressive, I know. I know that's impressive. That's impressive, but the problem is that I don't really like it. I want to get to the Reign of 7 so I can get like a Lecture Wizard or Prince or the Mega Minion. I really want the Mega Minion and the Lecture Wizard. I want to get the Miner so bad in the log. The favorite cards I like is the Wizard, Graveyard, Lava Hot. There's no legendary there. Hold on, look up. Blog, Sparky. Oh, the Sparky's kind of good, not gonna lie. The Miner, the Electro Wizard, and the Princess, and the Clone. That's all, and the Lumberjack. I forgot about that. So I want to get them, and this one too. The what is it called? I forgot the name of it, but I really want that one. And when you get to level 3, if you get to 3,000 trophies, you get a healing potion. The new one that came out before. 4,000, then the rest you get like a chest. I don't know what chest. Yeah, you get that chest up there. That's like a good chest, but the problem is that chest, what you do is that one side you can pick your own cards. You can pick any cards. Like, you can get 2 legendaries out of this. Well, not really. You have to pick the legendary. Like, it says a Lecture Wizard or a Ice Wizard. So I will go for the Lecture Wizard because I love the Lecture Wizard because it came out before. So yeah, it's not the same with the other ones. Like, this is almost like this is better than the super magical chest. The magical chest, you need like 12 cards. No, yeah, 24 cards to get legendary. This one you need like 50 cards, 50 epics to get a legendary for that one, and you get like 10,000 or 9,000 gold coins, and you get a lot of rares with it. Like, the crown chest is horrible. Well, kind of. You get like that much. Wait, you never gave me that much. That one. Wait, you might get it. There's like a 50% chance you might get a legendary out of this one because.